Okay, we'll walk through how to join an event as an attendee. Once you've scanned the QR code or visited the event link, this is the page that will be presented. You have two options. You can quickly join with LinkedIn to load your LinkedIn profile, or you can create a profile. For the demo purposes, we'll just go create profile. Within the create profile, we can add an image. So this is so people know who we are. We can enter a name. So yes, Cameron Sim, and an introduction. So this introduction is a quick overview, a quick introduction to every other attendee of why you're at the event. So are you offering anything? Are you looking for something? Or is it anything in between? Just why are you there? Are you just looking to network? So we're just going to say, looking to network with AI professionals. I knew I spelled that wrong. So we'll just fix my spelling. Okay, so this is why we're at an event. So this is just letting attendees know. And that's us. We can go ahead and click create profile. So there is optional additional information that we can fill out. So there's contact information. There's professional details. So you can enter your job title, your company, and a professional summary here. And you can insert links to your LinkedIn profile and our website here. These are all optional. You can just continue with the above, but you can fill out however much information you would like to share with other attendees. Once you've filled out your profile, we'll just click create profile, and this will take us to the event. This is us in the attendee directory, and this gives us an overview of the attendees who are currently in the room and who have joined the event. This is the attendee list here, where you can see everyone. And as you can see, we've got an image of the person, their name, and their intro that they have provided. Now to find out more about the person, we can click the information card and we can see their company, title, the about, any of the information that they filled in and any links that they have provided. We can save this contacts. This is saving a virtual business card. This will save directly to your contacts on your phone. And we can use this information to find people that we want to connect with or talk with. A good feature is, when going through this list, if you do find someone that you want to connect with, we can use the connect button and we have connect actions. So we have the follow up later, want to talk more, highlight as a priority, or save contact. So if we want to highlight them as a priority of someone that we want to talk to, we can just highlight priority and save that connection. We have a visual indicator here on the list that we've highlighted this person and that we want to talk to them. We're interested in their intro, their company, or what they're about. So we can go up and approach and talk to this attendee. Let's say that you talk to them and it went really, really well. We'll just say we want to follow up later, and we can update and notify. Not only does this save this for your own records, but this sends them a notification as well that you want to connect and you want to talk more. Up the top, we have speakers. So this is the speaker that's up next. And this gives you a brief overview of the speaker and information of what they're about. Up here, you have your connections. So this is a connection that we highlighted for a follow-up. And you can export this information and view the profile from here as well. And this section is our speakers lists. And up here is back to our edit profile, so you can edit your profile page. Up to the top right is your notifications bell. This is where if connections send a notification to you that they want to connect, this is where they'll appear. And that is your attendee directory page.